Good morning, children. So let's continue lesson 1, growing plants. Today we will study growing plants from other parts. So new plants can grow not only from seeds but also from roots, stems, leaves and spores. This is called vegetative propagation. So let us study them in brief. Growing plants from roots. Some plants can grow from roots of the parent plants. These root stores, for example of such plants are turnip, beetroot, radish, sweet potato, dahlia, etc. In this, what happens? The bulbs of the dahlia are taken out after the plant stops flowering and dries up. These bulbs are kept in a dry place and placed in the soil the next winter season for new plants to grow. Next comes the growing plants from stem. In this topic, various natural and artificial methods can be used to obtain new plants from stems. So let us study those methods. Number 1 is the underground stems. Some plants have stems that grow below the ground. These are known as underground stems. Example, potato. These stems have small buds on them which are known as eyes, which can grow into a new plant. Next comes the stem cutting. Examples like money plant, rose, hibiscus, sugarcane are some plants which grow from a stem. If we cut a stem from these plants and plant it in the soil, it will grow into a new plant. Next comes the grafting. In plants such as rose, mango, apple, a portion of the shoot is cut and then attached to the shoot of another plant. The part of the stem that is cut is called the scion, and the part to which it is attached is called the stalk. So this method is called grafting. And the another method is layering. If you take an example of raspberry, you will find that a branch of this plant is bent until it touches the ground. A portion of it is covered with soil, which develops roots after few days, leaving the growing tip exposed. It is then cut from the parent plant and grows as a new independent plant. This method is called layering. Now comes growing plants from leaves. Some plants grow through their leaves. For example, the leaves of Bryophyllum and Kalanchoe grow with the help of their leaves. Their leaves have buds on the margins which grow into new plants. These can be detached and put in the soil and watered regularly. Then they grow as individual plants. Now we'll see growing plants from spores. So some plants like ferns and mushrooms do not bear flowers, so they do not produce seeds. So they produce spores. So spores are tiny powder-like substance on their body parts. New plants grow from these spores. So for today, children, this much only. Your assignment is to read the explained topic nicely, and in between the lessons you will see word web. That means some extra word meanings are given there. Please learn those word meanings. Thank you.